I just wanted nje to talk about uBonang and lento yakhe yokukweleta and tax money she owes SARS, this lady. I'm just like, uBonang, they've made millions of rands. They've made a lot of money. A lot of money, not just lemali nje. Imali. Why do you stay ukweleta SARS, guys? You know, I was just like, why? Just pay. Manje, apparently they're gonna take her staff. She must just make an arrangement. Just these days, when they take your money, I was asking, can I make an arrangement? 500 from the 17 million or the 7 million. They're just like, no, sissy. Please, man, you're better. So those are the problems. By the way, YouTube it takes. The other day they took 30 rands. I was just like, wow. And very about that text number, guys. Yeah, please let's get that straight. Yebo, YouTube ungabuka it's hard and all to do. It's not easy, but they don't even take you in if you don't have a text number. But the only problem that influencers have been doing with the YouTube has been that most of them have brands, but not most. Like my news, we don't necessarily have brands. All of us, like most of us, maybe let me put it that way. But you get a brand here and there, a certain brand will say, will give you 300,000 in the next 6 months, right? Klambege glue 300,000, it's like what? 40,000 rands for 12 months or whatever. And then the sum they give you when you don't take those things to SARS, they own to you. Bashile SARS, but mine just based on my influencers. Sabisan. Mamkhize na into zakhe they just took other directions. Yeah, but someone was even saying, good say ukuthwala kanjalo nako kuyabhora because once everything iphela kuhamba ekinto kaba ngisho ikati. I'm just like, guys, kodwa njani manje nje. So she's selling her mansion, sisters. Apparently it's going on auction soon, apparently. Yeah, or allegedly, whichever way really. But yeah, iyathengisa indlu kasi say, guys, impilo enzima out there. But I get it. Some people out there greedy, abakwazi ukulinda, bafuna imali. So uzogcina wenza into engekho right. So imali iyahamba. Ngithi no Casper Nyovest kwathiwa naye wathwaliswa esamncane. I'm just like, I'm done, bro. Please, Nkosi yami, tezothandle. I saw in some podcast nami akushongo phela mina. Ayibo, mina ngiyathatha nje information enjalo. Yeah, so nje injalo guys la ku-news galo iy'ndaba zakhona sikanjalo.